It's coming!
It's riveting.
It was moving very fast. Let's go.
It's raw.
This thing was a monster.
It's real.
I want you to kind of take a scope of the damage.
Weeknights beginning at 8. Only on the Weather Channel.
It's just stunning.
Free severe weather alerts. Download the Weather Channel desktop at weather.com/desktop. Now, you're local on the 8s.
A high surf advisory is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 70 degrees under cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Today, plenty of sunshine, high 76, winds north-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. For tonight, generally clear, low 61, winds west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Saturday, mostly sunny skies, high 76, winds northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Saturday night, a few clouds, low 57, winds east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.
In about an hour, it went from okay flooding to uh-oh, we're in trouble.
This is not a time to panic. This is a time to prepare.